Automotive recalls are a fairly common annoyance for both car makers and car owners, but most are treated with a kind of drama-free practical attention that corroded bolts or misfiring sensors require. Unless you're Subaru, who wants everyone to know that they've pinpointed the cause behind a new recall impacting 2021 Imprezas and Outbacks, and it's that guy. No, seriously. According to a report in Car Scoops, an improperly tightened nut is behind a problem in the aforementioned vehicles, and Subaru has traced those nuts back to one individual on its production line they say was using an improper torque wrench technique. This Lone Ranger was said to have properly trained on the job, but went ahead with his or her own method nonetheless, causing the gear selector on 383 vehicles to possibly not function correctly. The NHTSA confirmed that a single associate assigned to a specific production line working between the production dates specified was found to be using an improper torque wrench technique, and that all vehicles potentially affected by this associate are included in the identified population. As far as the worker is concerned, no word on whether they have been disciplined or terminated. Maybe this public shaming is enough. I'm Jeff Ranke, and this is IEN Now.